Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Instagram problem. Your Instagram story says no result found problem. Let's see how to solution this problem. Error, no result found of music of Instagram story. Do not skip, follow step by step. First open on Play Store. Search on Instagram apps. Update your Instagram app store or Play Store. Settings option. Scroll down, click on apps. This option click. Now search app Instagram application. Click on Instagram app, then tap on storage option, then clear data. Clear all data, tap on and then OK button click. Now open on your Instagram apps. Click on your story. Select photo and video, then click on music icon. Now showing all our music available. Hopefully on this solution work for you.